Welcome to the DoStudio Encoder. This is the first in a series of short video tutorials that will introduce you to the basic workings of DSE. The DoStudio Encoder is a high-quality MPEG-4 AVC encoder for Blu-ray that is designed for ease of use and maximum Blu-ray compliance. Optimized for integration with the Final Cut Pro workflow, DSE accepts QuickTime files in a variety of codecs that are commonly used with Final Cut Pro. Unlike most video encoders, DSE doesn't just set up an encoding queue. Instead, you build your Blu-ray playlist and add your source video files directly to the primary and secondary video elements in your title set. When you've finished encoding your video, you can export your playlist for use with DoStudio authoring. DSE is project-based, so the first step is always to create a new project or open an existing one. When you start a new project, by default you see the project output folder and notification settings in the control panel. You can click the project name at the top of the title list to display these settings at any time. You can set the output folder to any local or network accessible folder. This is where your encoded video files will be created. You'll also notice two methods for setting up status notifications during an encode: email and Twitter. Enter your account settings for either or both of these notification options in the control panel. Your account settings will be saved on your workstation, so they'll appear every time you start a new project. The settings are not saved in your project file, so you can share your encoding project without sharing your private email and Twitter settings. By default, your project includes one title set with nodes for primary and secondary video. If your encoding project includes multiple source videos, you'll add additional titles to your playlist tree and select source videos for each title. To add a new title, right-click on the name of your project at the top of the Titles window and select Add a Title. To add a source video file, right-click on the primary audio-video node to display the context menu. Select Add Primary Video. DSE is designed to accept source QuickTime files in a variety of codecs. It's important to note that your source video must be exported from your editing program in a frame size and frame rate that is compatible with the Blu-ray spec. This will be covered in the video tutorial about adding source video files.